Hello students, welcome to Rishikul online school. Today we will learn about rainy season. Rainy season comes after summer season. We also call it monsoon season. Now, things that we see during rainy season, they are clouds, thunderstorm, rain, rainbow, and puddles. Now, things that we use during rainy season: umbrella, gumboots, raincoat to protect ourselves from rain. Now, creatures that we see during rainy season, some of them are frog, snakes, slug, snail, and mosquito. Now see, it is rain lily flower. Isn't it beautiful? It blooms in rainy season. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.